Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best products to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're taking a close look at the IronMaster Hibachi Grill, the best hibachi grill for outdoor grilling enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner looking for the perfect portable grill, this one is a top contender. The IronMaster Hibachi Grill is an excellent choice for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. It's made entirely of high-quality, pre-seasoned cast iron, which ensures superior heat retention, meaning your food will cook evenly every time. This grill is perfect for backyard BBQs, camping trips, or even small gatherings on your balcony. With its compact size and durable construction, it's an easy-to-use grill that delivers big flavor. One of the standout features of this grill is its versatility. It has adjustable height settings, allowing you to customize the cooking space depending on your grilling needs. Whether you're grilling vegetables or searing a steak, you can adjust the grill to the perfect height for different types of food. The precise temperature control is also a major plus. The adjustable draft door allows you to regulate the airflow and, in turn, the cooking temperature, so you can achieve the perfect results every time. Adding to the convenience is the cold door, which makes adding or replenishing charcoal a breeze. You won't have to disturb your cooking process, as you can quickly and easily manage your fuel supply. The compact design of the grill, measuring just 14.8 inches in width, 9.2 inches in depth, and 7 inches in height, makes it incredibly portable. Weighing only 20 pounds, it's perfect for those who like to take their grilling on the go. Cleaning is also simple, thanks to the pre-seasoned cast iron finish. This finish helps prevent rusting and makes maintenance a lot easier, allowing you to spend more time cooking and less time cleaning. Whether you're cooking on the go or grilling at home, this hibachi grill is the ideal companion for any outdoor cooking experience. In conclusion, the IronMaster Hibachi Grill is the best choice for anyone looking for a durable, portable, and easy-to-use grill. Its high-quality construction, adjustable features, and compact design make it perfect for any outdoor cooking adventure. So, if you're in the market for a hibachi grill, look no further. The IronMaster Hibachi Grill is ready to deliver delicious meals wherever you go. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique.